Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I was working on a project where same problem kept returning all again and again. We fixed it, celebrated, and then boom, 2 months later, it was back. Customer was frustrated, management was frustrated, and honestly, so was the entire team. And that's when someone asked a simple question. Are we actually solving the problem or just treating the symptom? That moment changed everything because it pushed us towards a structured approach, the 8D report. And for the first time, the problem didn't return. Since then, I have seen aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing giants. They use exact method to break endless problem cycles. So today, I want to show you how the 8D process works and why it's one of the smartest tool any organization can have. Let's dive in.
Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful method that some of the world's most demanding industries use to solve problems for good. It's called the 8D report, and it's pretty much the secret to breaking the cycle of issues that just keep coming back. Let's get right into it. First, let's kick things off with a question that I'm willing to bet has crossed your mind at work. Why do some problems feel like they have a life of their own, always coming back no matter what you throw at them?
You know this dance all too well, right? You find an issue, you put a fix in place, and everything seems okay for a bit. But then, boom, a week later, a month later, maybe even a year later, it's back. It's so frustrating, it costs time and money, and it really feels like you're just stuck on a hamster wheel. Well, guess what? There is a way to get off that wheel. It's the 8D report, which stands for the 8 disciplines of problem solving. Think of it as a powerful, step-by-step game plan designed to do one thing absolutely brilliantly: find the real reason a problem is happening and make sure it never, ever comes back. So, what exactly is this 8D report? Let's pull back the curtain and break it down. At its heart, the 8D report is a structured framework that basically forces your team to stop looking at the symptoms. It's all about digging deeper to find that true root cause, putting in a fix that actually lasts, and, this is the big one, changing the system so the problem can't just pop up again later. This is exactly why it's a cornerstone for quality in super demanding fields like automotive and manufacturing. It's how they keep their customers happy.
Okay, so why this method? What makes 8D the gold standard for so many of these top-tier companies? Well, the trust is literally built right into its DNA. It's standardized, so everyone from engineering to the shop floor is speaking the same language. It's team-based, so you get all these different perspectives in one room. But here's the kicker. It's root cause-driven and completely auditable. That means you end up with a clear, documented paper trail that proves to your customers that you're not just talking about quality, you're actually doing it. All right, so we know why it's so powerful. Now for the fun part. Let's walk through how it actually works. We're going to go through all 8 disciplines, one by one. So phase 1 is all about setting the stage. It actually starts with D0, the planning step. Here, you figure out if this is a house on fire problem that needs an immediate response. Next up, D1, you build your team. And this is so important. It has to be cross-functional. You need people from production, quality, engineering, you name it, to see the whole picture. Then comes D2, describe the problem with cold, hard facts. You use a tool like 5W2H, that's what, where, when, who, why, how, and how much, to create a super precise problem statement. No assumptions allowed. Now we get to phase 2, and this is where the action happens. D3 is all about containing the damage. This is your short-term fix to protect your customer right now. Think of it like putting a bandage on a cut to stop the bleeding. Then, in D4, you put on your detective hat to find the real root cause. You use tools like the 5 whys, where you just keep asking why to dig deeper and deeper. And you're looking for 2 things: why the failure happened and why your system didn't catch it in the first place. Finally, D5 is where you choose the permanent corrective action that's going to take out that root cause for good. The final phase is all about making sure your solution sticks. In D6, you prove that your fix actually works, using hard data, running trials, taking measurements, no guesswork. Then comes D7, and this is arguably the most important step for long-term success: preventing recurrence. This is where you bake the solution into your company's DNA by updating all the official documents, work instructions, control plans, training, the whole shebang. And finally, D8. You congratulate the team. You recognize their hard work, which helps build a culture where this kind of deep problem solving is celebrated. So we've walked through all 8 disciplines. What's the big takeaway here? Because the real value of the 8D process goes way beyond just fixing this one single problem. This one phrase really gets to the heart of it. An 8D report is documented proof of action. It's not just meeting notes. It's the formal record that shows you didn't just talk about the problem, you took deliberate, logical, and verifiable steps to completely eliminate it. You know, when it comes right down to it, the 8D process is so much more than a form you have to fill out. It's a mindset. It actually trains your team, your whole organization, really, to think systematically, to rely on data instead of opinions, and to understand the massive difference between a quick patch and a true, permanent solution. So I'll leave you with this question to chew on. Think about your own work. What is that one nagging, frustrating problem that always seems to come back? And what do you think would happen if you finally solved it, for good, using this kind of disciplined approach?
So that's the 8D process, a complete, disciplined, step-by-step method that helps teams identify the real root cause, implement permanent corrective actions, and prevent problems from ever returning. Remember, containment is temporary, but a well-executed 8D is transformational. If this video helped you understand the power of structured problem solving, make sure like, share, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments what recurring problem in your workplace would you apply 8D method to. I would love to hear your examples. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.